again. Come with me. I have to go get my stand. This is very spontaneous. I was not going to record this, but I figured, why the hell not? I need to get in the habit of just picking up the camera in this new house and just recording. It's because I feel a little pressured to get on, kind of, and do content like showing the house, because the house is not ready. So I'm like, okay, either no, I told you not to worry about it. I told him to put the tarp on the pool. He gets so aggravated so quickly, and it's a pain in the butt. And I told him that if he can't do it, just put the tarp on the pool and don't worry about putting around the edges. But of course, he has to be perfect. Whatever. So anyway, excuse me, I just burped. So I am not ready to show like a house tour, but I don't want that to stop me from making videos for you guys. So instead of like feeling like I need to do a house tour first, I'm just gonna continue and do what I do. So today, I got lucky, guys, okay? I bought this big pack of chicken breasts for $4. Don't ask me how. Don't ask me how I'm getting lucky. God is good. Anyway, sorry, I was looking at my neighbor. Yesterday I used 4 of them to grill out in the backyard on the grill. Today I had 2 left. So this is 2 chicken breasts, all right? I'm about to show you how I'm about to feed my family on 2 chicken breasts. Mind you, they were in the fridge. So I'm like, I'm not gonna, you know, you see 2 chicken breasts and you're like, okay, that's gonna only feed like 2 people, maybe 3. No, nope. Each person could have 2 pieces and it's gonna fill us all. So let me show you how I do it. So basically this meal is gonna cost, including this right here is from Aldi's and it's $1. So we're gonna eat these. So it's gonna be chicken and biscuits with gravy. And Angie wants some green beans, so I kind of want to make some broccoli. So I don't really know. Anyway, let's go. I already cut up the chicken, and I'm gonna show you how many pieces I got out of 2 breasts. Okay.
Basically, I paid $1 for these 2 breasts because total was 4 something, and I had like 5 pieces of chicken in there. To me like $1.75. Okay.
Well, whatever. I'm gonna just show you. Shut up, Melissa. Okay. So we have. Right now, I'm beating it to make it, to spread it out. It'll cook really quick, but let me show you. So I already beat these pieces. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this tiny little piece? We're gonna beat that. We're gonna beat that out, make it bigger. This one. This is my grandfather's. It was my grandfather's. He was a butcher, and I've never seen one like this, but this is my meat beater. And if you've watched my videos before, I know that you know when I beat my meat, the song that I sing. Comment below. I'm not gonna sing it this time, but I'm gonna know how long you've been hanging with me if you can write this song below.
Somebody's crying, go low. Somebody's crying, go low. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed.
preheat my oven to 375 for what?
Why are you beeping at me, man? Clear. Take 375. Starts.
Because we're gonna put the biscuits in. Remember? Angie, you wanna pop the things for me? The biscuits? Here.
Hello, guys.
Lady. No, you have to unwrap it first.
I know.
No, you don't. No. I usually unwrap it for her, guys.
I didn't want to.
But you can't do it unless you unwrap it. Now you. Yeah, you didn't have to hit it. Give me. It's good.
Probably because I hit it a lot already.
Okay, put them on here.
I hit it a bunch sometimes. Okay, I got it.
Could they see the tray? Yeah. All right.
I want to eat one now.
You always say that, and I always tell you you can't.
They look really good.
No.
Like uncooked. Mmm, so delicious.
Somebody's crying, go low. Somebody's crying, go low. I need your love today.
I don't know why I hit
Need
it.
you right away.
I'm done.
Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
So, out of 2 breasts, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wait, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11 pieces of chicken out of 2 breasts. So, if you don't have a meat beater, girl, you need to go get yourself one, okay? Okay.
Clear. Oh, I'm backwards. Hey.
Tell them what your favorite all-time meal is.
Okay. Green beans.
Yeah, she likes green beans.
Biscuits. I'm eating my cat.
What?
Biscuit.
You better move that food before the dog eats it.
Mashed potatoes and chicken. So chicken and biscuits.
Chicken, biscuits, mashed potatoes, and what?
Green beans. Well, not green beans.
Where's my gravy, baby?
You know that little white thing that you put on the chicken? When
Yeah.
you make the chicken and then you make the biscuits. Yeah, that's
gravy.
my favorite.
That's gravy,
That's
but
my
I
favorite.
can't find that.
You're making that today?
Yes, but
That's my favorite dinner!
it's supposed to be country style gravy.
Is that it?
No,
Yeah.
no, but I got brown gravy. I'm gonna use brown gravy and then put some milk in it so that it makes it lighter because I really don't want it brown. I'm so mad. Oh, now I know what I have to get from the store. Oh well. Biscuits are in. So instead of using 1 cup of water, I'm gonna use 1 cup of milk. No, no, no. It does not look right, guys. Look. It looks purple. I'm gonna add the other gravy to it. I wonder if I have actual actual gravy.
Oh, I can't see me.
We don't have the country style gravy.
Cook style.
Nope, we don't.
Yeah,
So I have to make my own.
But eat these bad boys.
This looks ugly. This looks ugly. Look at this gravy. I'm mad. It's not the same, guys. It's just not the same without the country style gravy. It's just not the same. And I'm a little disappointed. But anyway, this is how the meal would be if we had the country style gravy. It would be with country style gravy, the white kind. But we don't have that. So we're just gonna have to deal without it, you know? Like, sometimes you just can't get what you want all the time. So, what is that? Nothing. 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 Why is there a scoop of this here? I don't know. I can't tell you. Alright. I'll see you in a minute when dinner's done. That's what you have to do.
You put salt on it?
Yep.
What's going on, YouTube?
Oh.
It's gravy.
That's crazy.
Oh, I need it.
It's so good though.
I'm about to flex on your YouTube, man.
Layla been working out,
That's
guys.
strong iron.
Nah, I can't do it because
I don't have anyone to do
it. I
it.
get low.
Yeah!
Whoa. Get a thing.
Look at the thingy. Okay, let me save my thing.
No,
I sit there, I like sitting there.
Nope, that's your chair.
No, that's my chair, Mommy. I never sat in here in a long time.
You sit on that side.
Look at these chairs.
Layla's sitting on this side.
Do you know when Dad's gonna be back?
No.
Soon, okay. I'm gonna listen.
Yeah. Well, you know he's gonna be tired when he comes home.
So don't put him to work.
This fact, can't even open it. It says, bubble. Oh, I love this one. It's so cool. Me too, I love it. Bubble wrap was originally invented as a wallpaper in 1957.
Bubble wrap, huh?
And it was used as a wallpaper in 1957.
Bubble wrap
Yes.
was used as wallpaper. This is getting me aggravated. This
Okay,
table
read
is gonna fall off. I believe you. Huh.
Must have been weird wallpaper.
Somebody definitely had more than two.
I had two. Dad had two.
I had two.
I already want to grab another one for some reason. I'm just gonna drink water.
Yeah, make juice.
I'm gonna make juice. We bought juice.
Okay.
Why didn't you go in the pool today?
Hey, I went to it.
I'm gonna go there every single day.
I go in every day.
It wasn't hot enough
At all.
for me.
It was hot for me.
Earlier, maybe not.
Yeah. Trying to fix this table. There, I
On
can't
top
do
of that,
that.
that's easy.
Well, although the gravy wasn't country style gravy, it worked out.
No, it's still with them.
All this chicken, guys, just to let you know, it was 2 chicken breasts.
What?
Yeah.
How do you do that? Cut in half.
I cut it and I beat it.
That's crazy.
I heard.
Yep. Yep, how to stretch a meal. That's how you do it. And there's a lot more chicken left too. Oh, let me show the camera.
What'd you?
I ate it.
You did, huh?
It's a bagel.
Yep.
Bagels are actually good.
See, here we go. So I fed all of us, and then Kilo's gonna come home, and he'll probably have 3.
Yeah.
And then there's 3 left.
Then we can have some for tomorrow.
3 biscuits. So
Ooh, I'll have the biscuits tomorrow.
making the chicken is a lot of work, but
The biscuits aren't.
the biscuits are easy, you know, and it's worth it. So
You've been drinking a
that's
lot
about
of
it.
water.
Until the next video, I hope that I showed you something new, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I didn't, but regardless, it's what we ate for dinner tonight, and it was a vlog. And I was talking on it, which is always a good thing because the other vlogs were silent, and I still need to upload that other one.
Hey,
Okay.
then we can hear the door next door.
I know, these
So
walls are
creepy.
paper thin.
It's super creepy.
Right here, you could hear when they walk down the stairs. One time she was talking, and it sounded like she was right in here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm in the basement too.
Mm-hmm. I was all looking around.
Hey, so you today, you eat so much.
Huh? All right, bye, guys.
Bye. Catch you on the flip side.
Bye, everyone.